Hi, Don Verizer, Easy Storm Panels. And we're visiting customers today who have installed our do-it-yourself Screen Porch Panels. We're here today with Jodi, and Jodi has purchased this product just a couple months ago. And how did things go with the process?
Excellent. Everything was great. Communication and very responsive and explained everything that we needed to know. So
That's great.
easy peasy for us.
I like that easy peasy.
Yes.
Yeah. And were your expectations met with the quality service?
Absolutely. Yes, they were. Definitely.
Oh, great. Now, when they first came, did you appreciate the box that they were in?
I did like the box that they were in. Absolutely. I think it's going to be a great box to repackage them once we take them down, so that way they'll be nice and safe.
Yes. And you and your husband installed the product?
My husband did.
Okay.
I helped a little
We
bit.
have an
but
honest
yes.
customer here.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
And so, what did Adam think about the installation process?
He actually thought it was a very smooth process. It took a little adjusting at first with, we had to put our own, the jam boards in. So
yeah.
once he did a couple, he got the hang of it after that. So it was good. Yeah.
Oh, great. That's
Yes.
wonderful. And what do you mostly do on your screen porch these days?
Oh my gosh. Well, now I use it as a play area for my son. He's 2. So it gives us another area to just come out here and play with some toys, and at night we watch movies. We have a projector here, so we pull that down and watch movies out here.
Oh, you tucked that away real nice. I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
That's awesome, really. Yeah, so we like to think that we're able to turn Screen Porch into a 3.5 season room, and effectively you've done that.
Yes, already, and we just got them, so
Great.
it's great.
Well, good. Thanks so much for being a great customer and having us in today.
Thank you so much. I am so grateful for both of you. This is awesome.
Thank you.